In this video, I'll be explaining you how to set up your Eclipse IDE for JSP and Servlet development and how to set up a server that will run the JSP and Servlet application. So we'll be using the Tomcat server. So I'll be explaining you that in this video. So for your project starter files, so you have to click on File, then New, and you have to go to Others. And then here in search, you just have to write Web. So you get this dynamic web project. So you have to click on dynamic web project, click on next. Then I'll give a project name. So I'll say JSP Servlet. So you can go ahead and you can write demo or you can write whatever name you want to give for the project. So I'll say okay, I'll just give JSP and Servlet. So once I've given that, so runtime, let everything be default. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and click on finish. Okay, so once we click on finish, so we have our projects here, right? JSP Servlet, you can see here. So this is the entire structure for your dynamic project. And in web content folder, you will write all the HTMLs and JSP files. So wherever you are writing the Java code, the Java classes and servlets would be in Java resources. In that, it will be in this SRC folders, where we will create the packages in this SRC. All the libraries and dependency you will be installing externally, the jar files will be here in this library. So this is the structure. Now, to run this, I need a server. So if you see here below, you'll get the option for server. And see, initially you have no server available, right? So I'll go ahead and in a browser I'll write download Tomcat. You can download any version, so I'll say Tomcat 8.5, and then you'll click OK, and then the first link, you can go ahead and click on the first link that will land up to the Apache page. Now here you see this, I have Tomcat 8.5 version, right? 8.5.57. So I can go ahead and I can download the core zip file. So I'll click on the first link, that is a zip file, and then I will download it. So you have to also do the same. You have to download the zip file. Okay, so now that it is downloaded and it is present in my download folders, so what I'll do here is I'll go back to my Eclipse. I'll click on this no server, click here to create. So I'll click on this so that I can create a new server, and then I'll go on the first option, that is Apache. So I have to go and click on Apache. Then I have to scroll down all the way to search for Tomcat 8.5 version server. So we are using Tomcat 8.5 version, right? So we'll click on this and press next. Now you have this name, let the name be default. Then you have Tomcat installation directory, which directory I have to install this. So I'll go ahead and I have to press on browse, and I have to go ahead and select the Tomcat which we downloaded, the folder. So if you are getting in zip file, you have to unzip it. So here you will have Apache Tomcat, right? So I have to click on this folder which has all this bin and other files. So I'll press on open, and then I'll say finish. So this is how you set up your Tomcat server and initially create a new project file for JSP and Servlet.